Hello friends, so welcome to another review on our channel. Today we bring you first-hand experience. We rode the mighty Fiido Titan cargo electric bike that at the first glance looked like something that you won't see every day. Massive, robust and confident, the Titan rightfully bears this name. If you've been thinking about buying a versatile electric bike this spring for adventures, cargo or long distances, even off-road, stay tuned because the Fiido Titan could be just what you are looking for. More info after the intro. When it arrived, the box was huge and it was immediately clear this is no ordinary electric bike. The Fiido Titan was carefully packed with every important part, additionally protected with a foam and cardboard. The first contact with the frame reveals a serious approach to construction, a rear rack with a wooden base, thickly machined aluminum, neat and strong welds, spokeless cast rims. It will be an impressive bike. So we got this smaller, elegant box that says accessory kit, in which we find a lot of tools that will help us assemble the parts of the bike. There are also detailed Fiido Titan instructions for use if we get stuck with assembly. But that's not all. Below this there is another set of accessories such as front light, pedals, bell, charger, battery. Assembly for such a serious bike was surprisingly simple. With the manual and Fiido video instructions, the process from opening to the first ride took about 30 to 40 minutes. All components fit perfectly in place without the need for additional adjustments. And here we are out of the street, ready for our first ride on our adventure-style electric bike. The Fiido Titan is massive. Even when it's just standing here, it looks like it's ready to run over everything in front of it. Its appearance is reminiscent on off-road vehicles. This is not just a bike for city cafes, but a machine for wild trails, gravel roads, mountain climbs and long expeditions. The frame is massive, made of solid aluminum with the integrated cargo rack that can carry up to 18 kilograms of additional cargo. The wheels are spokeless. These are cast magnesium rims that are both strong and easy to maintain. The tires are 26 by 4 inches thick, wide and ready for all-terrain. The bike weighs about 37.6 kilograms. It's not light, but it doesn't have to be. Its mass brings a sense of stability at the higher speeds and when you are fully loaded. The fact that it has a load capacity of up to 200 kilograms already speaks how serious at the all-terrain electric bike it is. The Fiido Titan is IP54 certified for entire bike, meaning it's a splash and dust resistant, while the IPS display is a fully waterproof with the IP68 rating. You can use it in the rain without any problems. Everything about the Titan looks robust, from the mudguards to the racks to the pedals. Nothing is thin, hollow or flimsy. The spokeless magnesium rims are not only durable but also aesthetically stand out from the classic design, giving the bike an extra wow effect, especially when the spin while riding. The cables are mostly routed intelligently through the frame, which contributes to a clean and professional look. There is also a rear cargo rack with a wooden stand that acts as an extension of the frame, all of which feels like it has its place and function without unnecessary kitsch but with plenty of style. Fiido Titan in the classic version, as in our case, comes with a 696 watt-hour battery which provides a range of up to 135 kilometers in eco mode in ideal conditions. The battery is located under the crossbar and it's removable in case you don't have the possibility to charge the bike at home because you live in an apartment, so you can only carry the battery up there with you. After charging, you put it back and voila, you are ready to continue riding. There is also the possibility of buying this bike with the extended battery combo option, 3 batteries with rack, The total range then jumps to the 347 kilometers according to the manufacturer. This is one of the few rare e-bikes on the market that offers that ability to carry as many as 3 batteries at once, massively extending the range, making it ideal for multi-day rides or expeditions without charging. The batteries are removable and it even has the Fiido smart locking system. The Fiido Titan, which we tested, is the EU version, comes with a 250 watt motor with 70 Nm and a legally limited speed of up to 25 km as required by EU laws. Although the numbers may not seem impressive, in practice the Titan offers more than enough power for everyday driving, including hill climbing and full load driving. The motor has a rotating sensor that adds pedal assistance, very natural without jerks and sudden accelerations. Important note, for those who want more, it is possible to temporarily unlock the bike's full potential via a combination of buttons for use on private trails, and then the Titan becomes a real beast. When you step on the Titan and start pedaling, the feeling is truly unique. The high seating position, wide handlebars and a massive 26 by 4 inches tires create an impression of complete control, almost as if you are part of a machine itself. These high-volume tires soak up every bump on the road, making the ride extremely comfortable even on the rough terrain. Whether you are riding on asphalt, gravel, forest path, the Titan always stays on the track and feels secure. The Titan suspension does a great job and the ride is smooth and comfortable even on higher speeds or when it by carrying more weight. The feeling of comfort remains high. The Titan is stable even on the rough terrain and the suspension handles any challenge you throw at it. If you're planning longer turns on more demanding trails, you might want to consider some additional suspension tuning, but for most riders the Titan provides exceptional balance and comfort and stability that allows for comfortable ride in all conditions. Now the seat of the Titan is a special design for long rides. It's wide, soft and supportive. While it's not as luxurious as the seats on some more expensive models, it does the job perfectly on everyday rides. No matter how much time you spend in the saddle, the Titan ensures that the ride remains comfortable and free of the back pain. When it comes to performance, the Titan is an exceptionally quiet vehicle. The engine responds quickly and without any hesitation. When moving from a standstill, with the help of the pedals, the torque sensor does its job perfectly. There is no idle, the power is transferred immediately and smoothly. It feels almost like an automatic acceleration, which makes the ride enjoyable without the need for much effort. On the step climbs or when your legs are tired, with a higher level of assistance, the climbs are overcome without effort and sweat. The Titan gives you a feeling of being carried by itself even in the most challenging conditions. Large and thick 26 by 4 tires, which are made of punch-resistant materials, further contribute to the driving comfort, making the Titan practically irreplaceable on all types of terrain. When you ride on gravel, sand or stones, you feel as if the bike adapts the surface and you remain in completely stable position. The tires, along with the powerful engine and solid suspension, create the feeling that you are ready for any challenge on the road. Now the Fiido Titan uses powerful 4-piston hydraulic brakes with the large 200mm rotors. The brakes inspire confidence. Although they may require a bit more grip than premium systems, the performance is reliable and consistent. At the same time, they'll give you an excellent feeling of control without sudden jerks or locking of the wheels. We also have here large LED headlamp, embrace a kind of motorcycle style design, making it big and bright. It illuminates far ahead of the bike for increased visibility range at the night. The included rear LED is nothing special but gets the job done efficiently. The Titan steering wheel provides all the usual e-bike functions and features. On the left side of the handlebars is a 4-button control panel. The right side of the handlebars has a 9-speed gear selector and a thumb throttle. The brake lever on the right side operates the Titan's rear brakes. This rugged beast of electric bike also features sleekly intelligent touch. My favorite detail is the certain display screen that's elegantly built into the middle of the steering wheel. The color IPS display, which is mounted on the stem in the center of the handlebars, it's bright and readable even in bright sunlight and with the sunglasses. It displays the typical information such as the battery level, speed, trip odometer and pedal assistant level selected. The Titan denotes PAS levels, Eco mode, Normal and Sport. And if you need additionally by the Fiido application, it's possible to monitor driving statistics, unlock and lock the bike and update the firmware. After more detailed testing in all conditions, from city driving to gravel roads, forest paths and uphills, we can say that the Fiido Titan is a truly electric SUV on two wheels, a big, powerful and capable one. Perfect for riders with a larger build as well as those planning to cover long distances. The U version with a 250-watt motor provides enough for most users, and the ability to unlock additional power is just the icing on the cake. If you are looking for a bike that will not let you down when things get serious, the Titan is here to take on all challenges. This is a quality e-bike from a trusted company, so they deserve your attention and trust. If you have been thinking about choosing the powerful Titan as your riding partner this spring, do it on time. You can find the official purchase link below this video. Don't miss out on the chance to take advantage of our promotional pricing. Act quickly as the offer is limited. Secure your Fiido Titan e-bike today and experience a never before seen new level of riding enjoyment. That wraps up our review for now. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, ride safely and take care.